Hello students, this is perpendicular theorem which fetches 3 marks in your board exam. Statement: the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So first we have to write the given or the data. The first point is O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Next, xy is the tangent. Xy is the tangent. We know that a tangent will meet only at one point to a circle. So let it be P. So xy is a tangent which touches that circle, at point P. So xy is the tangent which touches the circle at point P. Next, join OP. Join OP. So next, to prove, read the statement again. The tangent at any point is perpendicular to the radius. So this tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Here the P will be the point of contact and the radius is OP. So we have to prove that the radius OP is perpendicular to xy. So we have to prove that the radius OP is perpendicular to xy. So radius OP is perpendicular to xy. In order to prove this, we have to write a construction. We have to write a construction, that is, mark a point Q. Mark a point Q on xy and join OQ. Mark a point Q on xy and join OQ. So next, proof. So since we can see here, OQ is outside the circle. The Q point is outside the circle. Since OQ is outside the circle, OQ is longer than OP. Since OQ is outside the circle, OQ is longer than OP. So if this Q point is inside the circle, if it is inside the circle, then this tangent will touches 2 points. Along with P, it will also be touches the Q point also. If it touches the Q point, then this xy will become a secant and not a tangent. So if the Q point is inside the circle, that is, if it is here, the Q point, the tangent line or the xy line will touches the 2 points along with P. So this will become a secant. But we have already considered that xy is a tangent which touches only at one point at a circle. Therefore, the Q point is outside. So OQ is always greater than OP. So write that OQ is greater than OP. So you can write a note also. If Q is inside the circle, then xy would have been a secant. So since it is outside, xy is a tangent. Therefore, OP will be the shortest line. OP will be the shortest line from center to tangent. So if OP is the shortest line from center to tangent, then this OP is a radius. OP is the radius and the radius is perpendicular to tangent XY. So hence proved. So students, this perpendicular theorem is also one of the important problem which comes for 3 marks. So you better read this carefully.